Hey, good morning, everybody. This is First Warren Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Brad Penimich, and the snow is finally here. This is a live look from resort cams up at Boone in Boone, North Carolina, Watauga County. Nice snow shower coming down. It's actually accumulating because it is cold enough that we're getting some accumulation on the roads. Dusting to an inch, certainly possible. Some of the heavier amounts are in areas like around Beach Mountain. This is the Pinnacle cam. You can see a dusting there, but look at those dark clouds. There are heavy snow bands continuing to move down, and we might pick up an inch or two in a couple locations across the mountains. I think the best chance of seeing some decent snow is going to be up in West Virginia. Here's a look at the radar, satellite, temperatures, and kind of surface features. You see what's going on. We've got an Arctic high over eastern Canada. It's pushing kind of a backdoor front. And what's going on is here we've got a pretty good flow of moisture coming off the Great Lakes. The Great Lakes are wide open because we've had such a warm autumn and warm start to December that we've got wide open water. So this Arctic air is spilling over the Great Lakes, picking up moisture. On top of that, it's moving along this front, which is helping to lift the air even further. And because of that, and a little bit of instability, which is warm at the bottom with cold above, that's going to occur this afternoon, we're probably going to see some snow showers, or probably more likely very wet snow flurries develop east of the mountains. You can see the snow is making it into the mountains now, even into parts of Virginia. There's reports of snow flurries all across West Virginia and Virginia, even towards Richmond. Let me show you this current surface map here on our other source here. You see all that snow, and again, look at that little batch of snow south of Richmond, and look what's going on here in North Carolina. A lot of this not reaching the ground yet, but this is something we're going to watch really carefully this afternoon. The reason I say that is let's look at the short range models, and I always like looking at these short range models, especially in a situation like this, because they tend to do a really good job. This is what we call the HRR, so let me back this up, and it shows these little bands of precipitation making it down into North Carolina this afternoon, probably after 1 o'clock to 2 to 3 o'clock, and you can see around Raleigh, Greenville, even around the Sandhills, a little rain snow mix. Here's the thing, the surface temperatures are going to be in the 40s, so a lot of this will be melting on the way down, so it'll have a tough time getting to the surface. But I'm not going to be shocked if we get a heavier band here or there that we see a little bit of snow flurry action make it to the surface. So a little bit of excitement. It's not going to be a big deal. It's not going to cause bad roads. In the mountains, we certainly are going to see that snow continue for a while. The bigger story here is it's turning cold. We're going to have the coldest weather of the season so far this week, and it's going to be sticking around at least through Wednesday or Thursday before a weekend warm-up. So hope you're enjoying the cool down after that warm December. I'll be tracking it throughout the afternoon, and I'll see you on TV today, starting at 4 on NBC Charlotte. See you then.